Hi friends, this video is about making mango syrup. You can make a delicious mango juice by using this syrup. Once you try this and you will never think of buying this from the shop. Let's see how to do this. For this I am using 2 mangoes. You can use either raw mangoes or half-ripe mangoes. Both will give different taste, but both tastes great. First, peel the skin and then cut and chop into a small pieces, then grind it like a paste. This is how the paste will look like. I am using this jar as a measuring cup. While using like this, it makes the job easier and also reduce the wastage of the pulp. According to this measurement, we have to measure sugar and water. First, I am transferring the pulp into the pan. Then, take twice the amount of water than that of the pulp in the jar. For example, if you are having 1 cup pulp, then add 2 cup water, 1:2 ratio. After adding the required amount of water, mix it well using a spatula and then allow this to boil for up to 20 minutes. This time may differ depending on the flame. Stir constantly while boiling or otherwise it will stick at the bottom. When it boils like this, the consistency of the liquid will become a little thicker. After it boils well, reduce the flame and add salt and sugar. Now it is well boiled. In this stage I am going to add salt and sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt for 2 mangoes. Don't add more than this. Although it is a sweet drink, the taste is enhanced only by adding salt. Following this, I am going to add sugar. Sugar should be add 1.5 times than the amount of mango pulp. That means for 1 cup pulp, add 1.5 cup sugar, 1:1.5 ratio. Add the sugar in the liquid, then mix it properly using a spatula. Then boil this for 15 minutes. Don't let it boil for too long. Don't overcook the syrup. The method of making the syrup is very simple, but cooking time takes little longer. Almost it is completed. You can see the consistency. This is the exact consistency. So switch off the flame in this stage and then allow this to cool until it reaches its room temperature. After it gets cool, the consistency will become little thicker than before. Now the mango syrup is ready for making juice. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 months. Use the clean and dry container for storage purpose. I will show how to make the juice. I have added pepper in a cup. Maybe if you like pepper, you can add it like this. Another cup is plain. Add 1 scoop full of mango syrup, then add water in the syrup, then mix it well. That's all. The mango juice is ready. Try this in your home. Instead of giving flavored sweet drink, please make it a practice to give these homemade soft drinks to children. I hope you all love this recipe. If you like this, Please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.